The fans aren't booing, they're screaming chooch as Carlos Ruiz had the honors of unveiling Roy Halladay's Wall of Fame plaque. Later on, Joe and Marie Harkins were at that same spot taking pictures, wearing their Doc Halladay jerseys.
The whole time you remember the Whiz Kids, and you will remember him from 20 years from now.
But you know, the thing about him is that he cared about it here. He really did. He cared about the city.
Halladay's wife, Brandy, can confirm that.
He knew this is where he was supposed to be. It was amazing. There are very few people in the world that get to experience what he felt in the clubhouse here in Philly.
She tearfully spoke about her husband during the ceremony. Former Phillies manager Charlie Manuel also talked, saying as good as Doc was on the mound, the man behind the scenes was even better. At Citizens Bank Park, Andrew Kramer, KYW News Radio.